Hi guys, this is Get Fit by Sahib. So today I'm gonna be talking about 5 diet tips which can help you while dieting. So number 1 is gonna be stay hydrated during during the day. Yeah, very important. Plays an important role staying hydrated during the day. Why? Because whenever you are hungry, you don't know actually when you are hungry, you don't know your body is asking for water or food. So what usually people do is they feel hungry, they don't drink much water and they start eating. But that's not it. If you want to lose weight, you have to make this in mind that you have to drink a lot of water so you feel fulfilled all the time. So what you're gonna do is my tip number 1, what I also use is drink a lot of water as much as you can, or either way if you want to drink some sugary drinks or something, you can always go for sugar free beverages like diet Pepsi, diet Coke, cat sodas which are sugar free, or maybe green tea if you like. Yeah, so that's the tip number 1, stay hydrated. Tip number 2, late night snacking. Late night snacking is like it is with everyone right now. I think so. Lockdown is going on and everyone tend to eat. Everyone is like little bit hungry in the night because no one is able to sleep in the night because they don't know what to do next day. So if you are hungry in the night, you can go for healthy things like eat some cucumbers. 100 grams of cucumbers contains 15 calories, so you can eat them, it's completely fine. Or some almonds, like 4 or 5 almonds, like that. Don't go for chips or something which can disturb your diet, which can increase your daily calorie intake. And make this in mind that if you are on dieting, you cannot cheat, because if you start cheating, you start eating everything. Then your mind says that you have eaten. So what I am talking about myself too, what I do is when I start eating something bad, like I start eating some like sugary foods or something, I want more and more and more and more again and again. So your mind makes you think like that. That's the point. So try eating salad in the night if you are hungry, probably one or two or maybe three, because everyone is sleeping late in the night due to lockdown. So you can go for that. Tip number 2 is my this. Third thing will be tip number 3. Enjoy your favorite foods. Exactly. You should enjoy your favorite foods while dieting. People, what they do is they start eating same foods every day, and they get bored and they leave dieting and they start eating like a normal and they start overeating and everything. So that is not the way. If you eat chicken tikka every day in all your 3, 4, 5 meals, whatever you say, so obviously you will get bored. Who wants to eat the same fucking thing all the same time? Enjoy your favorite foods. Like if you want to eat butter chicken, you are allowed to eat butter chicken, but you should know in how much portion you should eat. You should know that. Whatever dietitian you are hiring, you should tell him that I am craving that thing, so I want to eat that thing. Make that plan for me. Make that thing in my diet for me. And he will surely do it. I am promising you on that. Because if you are dieting, if I am your dietitian, probably if you tell me that I want to eat butter chicken, why would I stop you? I should not stop you while eating that thing. Obviously I will tell you to eat butter chicken and focus on chicken more than the curry of the chicken. Of course you can eat. What I do, whenever I crave something, I eat, but I know what I am eating. I know how much portion should I eat in. This is the thing. So tip number 3 is eat your favorite foods while dieting too. It will help you a lot and you will not go off track. So let's go on tip number 4. Eat several meals or eat just 3 meals. Depends on you. I eat just 3 meals a day. I don't believe in eating 5 or 6 meals a day. I feel hungry. If I eat 200 or 300 calorie meals, I divide it into 5 or 6 meals. I cannot diet. I cannot be like that. It depends. Everyone is not the same. Some people like to eat 5 to 6 meals a day. But you can eat however you like. Some people like to eat small meals, like they start eating like a pre-workout meal, like a 300 calorie pre-workout meal, or then after that they start their breakfast, 400 calorie breakfast, then they're waiting for their lunch, maybe a 4 or 500 calorie lunch. So what happens is you have to calculate macros a lot when you are eating in like small portions. What my style is, I like eating a lot together. So what I do is I just eat 3 meals a day, which consist of round about 6 to 700 calories. And please take this thing out of your mind that if you will not eat after 2 or 3 hours, your metabolism will slow down, your metabolism will become like a shit or something. No, it doesn't happen like this. All depends on your macros, all depend on your calories. If you are intaking 2000 calories, like I intake, I guess I intake around 18 to 2100 calories for fat loss. So I know how much to eat and how to eat. I divide it into 3 meals and I eat like that because I get to eat a lot. I don't like eating small meals. So it's upon you. Tip number 4 is that you should eat however you want. Like if you want to eat all the food together, you should eat. You should not wait for your next meal. Better to eat together so you will not feel hungry, and you will be hungry after 5 or 6 hours. Then you can eat, or whatever, 4 to 5 hours. It's like that. So this is my tip number 4. Tip number 5 will be eat protein at every meal. Very important. You guys already know that protein helps you building muscle. Protein helps you in fat loss and many more things. Protein helps you in all body functions actually. Protein, if you are on a fat loss diet, protein is necessary. It is very important. If you suppose if you are a 70 kg guy or a 70 kg girl who wants to build muscle and lose fat, you have to eat double the amount. It doesn't matter you are a man or a woman. Obviously women doesn't want to build muscle, but they want to get fit, so they also have to eat protein in proper portion to lose fat, in order to lose fat or in order to build muscle. So protein is very important in every meal. Start your day with protein only. Like I start my day with a protein shake. This is my thing I'm telling you. When I wake up in the morning, after waking up, I guess after an hour, I take a scoop of whey protein, because protein is the thing which helps you build muscle, which helps you in losing fat, and many more things, many more functions in your body needs protein. But obviously fats and carbs as well, but after that thing. You will never hear this thing that you should eat fats or carbs when you wake up in the morning. You will never hear that thing, because the main need of the body to function it, to body has to function it. Like you can say, like when you eat protein, you feel more fulfilled, and when you eat carbs, you feel more hungry. Just note my thing and try this thing. Or either way, if you eat a lot of fat, you will feel like what have you put in your body. But whenever you'll eat protein, you will feel more fulfilled and more light than fats or carbs. I'm not saying fats or carbs are bad. Everything works together. But the first thing comes is protein. So focus on your protein intake. Like if you are a 70 kg guy, so you should take at least 140 grams of protein a day in order to build muscle or do fat loss. Or if anyone watching who doesn't work out or something, they should also take around 100 grams of protein if they are 70 kg in a normal lifestyle. Doesn't matter. Protein is necessary if you are working out or not. It doesn't matter if you are not working out. Some people think that they don't work out, they don't need protein. It's not like that. Protein is very necessary for your body. Your body will not function properly if you are not eating, if you are lacking protein. So add protein to your diet. It will help you a lot. So this was my 5th dieting tip. Hope it helps you. Thank you so much. Do subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Thank you.